Hello, Internet. My name is Mr. Cam, and this is a Social Studies Common Core Integration lesson. I would like to tell you a little bit about the lesson to know whether or not this lesson is a good fit for you. This lesson centers around the term progressivism in U.S. history. And the first thing you'll notice is the lesson is split into 5 sections. Each section has an oral quiz that students have to answer. These questions are built so that you, the teacher, can ask your students comprehension questions, or your students can quiz one another. The most important aspect of the oral quizzes is that within our social studies curriculum, we are taking the Common Core idea of high-level discussion and integrating it into the classroom. There is also a place on the front page for students to write the main idea and for students to complete a short homework assignment. The next thing you'll notice is that each page of the lesson is slightly larger than the previous page. This is so that the students or teachers can cut out the page to create a foldable. Once you have all 5 pages cut out, you simply stack them from largest to smallest and staple here, here, and here. I often have students glue them into their notebooks so they can refer back to them later. Each section of the notes has a series of blanks or short answers to fill out. Each blank has a slide in the PowerPoint that goes along with it. The students fill out each blank as the teacher gets to that slide in the PowerPoint. This lesson starts by targeting your English language learners with a word study of the word progressivism. The lesson then moves to the old definition of progressivism, followed by activist liberal governments versus conservative governments. The goal of teaching this old definition first is to show that definitions change over time. This is key to the Common Core. Then we look at a scenario that calls into question the old definition of progressivism. This leads to the new definition of progressivism, which is more nuanced and historically accurate. We finish this lesson by going over the vocabulary necessary to understand the new definitions such as pressure groups and coalitions. This lesson is meant to be an introduction to progressivism. I hope in the future to add more content to this unit. Thanks for watching.